So you want to build a free football streaming website, no coding, no paid hosting, and it can also work on phones like a real app. I'm going to show you exactly how using Blogger, Firebase, and this custom theme we can actually achieve that. Now bear in mind this video is 100% educational, and the M3U8 or MPD links used in this test are under public domain. And with that in mind, let's get into it. What's up everybody, my name is Alvin Alexa and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but we are back. Anyways, most free Blogger templates or themes look like they're from 2012. Slow, no mobile features, and definitely no live scores. So I managed to customize this theme from Tevamua for free. I got it for free, which I customized it to my own to come up with this template. I added a bottom navigation, dark mode, real-time view counter, live TV section with a built-in free video player. In fact, what's inside? Now first, let's break down the live score panel that connects directly to the ESPN API to pull out real-time scores from Premier League matches, UCL, La Liga, name it, even Formula 1, MotoGP, tennis, rugby, NFL, MLB, and others. Before we start, here's what you need. First, a Blogger account is free with any Gmail. Second, a Firebase project. We'll use it for real-time comments, reactions, and storing the live TV channels, and also the Blogger theme that is linked in the description below. Those are the only things that you need. Everything we use today costs $0. And step one, you'll have to log into your Blogger and create a new blog. Give it any name, something like Live Sports Hub or whatever. Then go to theme, click the drop down menu next to the customize and choose to edit the HTML. Delete everything inside and then upload the XML file provided in the description. Click save. Instantly your blog looks like a sports streaming app now. But we are not done yet. We need to connect the live features, which is the most interesting part. Step 2, go to Firebase. Go to Firebase console, create a new project, enable the real-time database and Firestore, then go to project settings and copy your Firebase project object. Okay, I think that has to be the Firebase configuration object. It looks like a JavaScript code or object with keys and API keys, authentication like domains, and so on. Now, you after getting that, you'll need to go back to your theme, search for line with the word const Firebase equals as you can see here, and replace the whole object with your own configuration. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna connect your blog to the Firebase, which will help you now to have likes and dislike buttons working, and real-time comments, and the live TV channels will sync in real time. And that comes to also I have a code in the HTML that will help you to add the live TVs you want using Firebase also. Of course, you need to also change the Firebase code, that is the configuration in this HTML code. Now also, if you want to add your first channel on your own blog, you can click on the live TV tab in the bottom navigation. You see this is the second option. You see the manage admin button, or you can manage the admins. The default pin is 8035. Okay, and the stream URL, there is a stream URL where do you get the stream URLs? That's the educational part. You can use M3U8 links, you can use embed links, and for this education part, we are going to use the M3U8 for legal issues, and also some YouTube live streams and Twitch, for example. Now, for example, if you have an M3U8 or .M3U8 link starting with you can start, you need to link it starting with Mora equals and then the link, as you can see. Or if you have an embed link, you need to add the word embed equals and then the embed link. The player itself will load it automatically and put it to the list. Also, you can add the logo if you want, and also if you need. After that, I've put up a list of test streams in the description. Are there in my Patreon? I use them for learning purposes only. Like, they are on my Patreon. You can use them for learning purposes only. Now, the live score panel, as you can see, this is how it looks like, and it is already connected to the ESPN API. It pulls from leagues like Premier League, UCL, NBA, and more. If you want to change like the league, or if you want to change the way the league appears in the theme, you can open the themes HTML and search for all ticker. You'll see like allies like Ing1, ESP1, UEFA, Champions League, etc. You can add or remove leagues using ESPN's league codes. Okay, I've included like a full list in the description below. Also, you can save and reload. The scores panel will now show matches from any chosen league which you want. And the last step is about monetization and going live. The theme has AdSense slots already placed. Now just add your AdSense code in the code. Search for CA/pub and replace it with your own like AdSense code. And there is also a support the stream like section with buy me a coffee or Patreon links. You can edit those directly like in the HTML also, and you can add your own links of Patreon and buy me coffee. And also, if you want like the push notifications, sign up for OneSignal. The theme already has the code in place. Just add your app ID and you're ready to publish your blog. Your blog will be like you'll get like notifications and stuff in case your users like install it, like add it using like install it like using Chrome. You'll get that option whereby you can send notifications to users because it will work as a progressive web app. You know what we mean, like you without any coding. And now, before you go, a final reminder, like this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Like streaming copyrighted content without permission is illegal in most countries. Use this knowledge to build platforms for legal content, your own matches, the public domain, sports or educational commentary. And if you found this video informative, hit the like button, subscribe for more free website tutorials, and download the theme file below. And thanks for watching. Also, if you have any questions, make sure I know them below because I'll be happy to reply to all of your comments. And thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye.